come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. So what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, the DeFi bully. Like the video, engage the video, and subscribe the video, and marry the like button. Nah, but as you can see, today is already looking crazier than yesterday and even the day before. It's the final 2 minutes and 11 seconds officially, and we already have 1,572 BNB. Oh no, not today. Sorry, I gotta mute my own group. Let me just disable sound. Yeah, cause it is going crazy. All right, so we're in the last 2 minutes. Let me refresh this page really fast, just so I get an accurate depiction of what's going on. I didn't even buy 1,600. It already passed the first day. Wow. Now I was gonna do a final 10 minutes video, then 5 minutes, but I was recording without my mic on. What in the world? So yeah, so a minute 20 seconds left. We already surpassed the first day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was saying if it passed the first day, and our strategy in our group, Bullpen Millionaires, was saying, all right, we're in the final minute. We're saying if it passed like a certain amount, we might not jump in, but you never know. The next days might even be even more than today. The hype look like it's real. All right, we said went for 1 BNB today. I went in for 1 BNB today. Shout out Mr. Aloha. Not sure what tomorrow bring. Man, I don't even know. I had some extra tokens left. I think I'm gonna just answer it with those 30 tokens I got. We got 38 seconds left. I know it's not much, but I'm gonna just do what it do, baby. Whoa. Oh, this BNB, I'm tripping. Since I already have the tokens, I wouldn't even have to do it like that. Duh. Should I answer any? Man. Let me just continue the same thing. 0.17. If I could catch this last 10 seconds. Yikes. Oh my God. I don't think I'm gonna make it, people. Oh, my computer freezing. This is crazy. Yep, I don't think I made it. Something's going on here. Ah, damn it. I wasn't able to make it. It's all good. I had some coins left over. I'll just add those in later on. I just wanted to catch the final moments. Let's see where the day ended off at, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people waited to the last second. But unlike me, they got through. All right, 1,655. 1,651 total BNB deposited today. Okay. So, yeah. Let's get it. Oh, so okay, I'm starting to see. So these the AVARICE per 1 BNB. So today was 1,788. Yesterday was 2,597. The day before that, which seems like the best day to go in because they had the lowest amount of deposits. 1 BNB gave you 2,889 AVC tokens. Okay, people. Now it ended. I wasn't able to enter. Let's see if I can still do a stake anyway. I'm gonna do a should I do another 3? Okay, I'm gonna stake these 30 tokens I got right here. I'm not sure. Does that mean that I have 37 tokens because of my referral bonus, or just 30? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just go ahead and stake these for 30 days, whatever. Just so I can say I staked something. Let's go, people. Okay, successfully staked. So I guess I did have those 30 tokens. Okay. All right. So that was my available. So I guess I used some from the referral the other day. All right. So now I'm in for that. Refresh this. It should be loaded up. There we go. 30 staked. At least I'll be able to monitor like small accounts, people that didn't jump in with that much money. I had to do the math to figure out the equivalent of how much 30 equaled. Well, oh, I believe it said it in the lobby right here at the top. Now, something I noticed today was a whole bunch of stake selling and stake buying going on. It says the AVC for the day was 1,788 for one BNB. So no, before it showed like the amount, I think it was like 13 cents one AVC token, something like that. I'm gonna just gather some more information and do a more detailed video when it comes to those type of things. But some that I did see today is a lot of selling and requesting, as you guys can see right here on the left hand part of the screen. But this video was just to capture those final moments of today's auction. Okay, I don't want to make this one too long or whatever the case may be. I still have an ear injury, so I don't want to put this over it too much. I can't even hear on my left ear right now, people. I'm partially deaf, but I ain't blind for this money. All right, people. My Telegram group will be down below. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and then marry the like button. You know the vibes. It's notification bell NASA. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is something special right here. AVARICE 2022, the takeover.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.
Almost forgot, people. Hopefully you guys are still here. Almost forgot. All right. Now the BNB divs that's being paid out. Okay. Now we can see the day 2 payout. All right. My day 1 payout, well, it's double now. Well, not double, but it went up. When I did the math, it worked out to be around 25 to 30% daily. Now the 300-day stake that I did for $50 on the second day. Okay, this is my first time seeing the earnings. It's at 0.066 BNB, which works out to be, hold on, 0.6 $17.66. Okay, people, that's like around 30% if I did my math properly. Okay, yes, more like 35%. So yeah, this is looking really good. And then remember, you could always sell your stakes. You can see on the left hand side where I took it out of the screen. Now it's a lot of people staking, requesting sales for their stakes and so forth. Let's see. Okay, and I asked in my group, we can't collect the divs until the end of your stake. That's why I want some short term ones, a long one. Shout out D Tripper. She's seen her first day return. Hers came to about 25%. She said she entered in 0.041. I mean, she put in $35 worth of BNB and received 0.041. So it's about 25% of that. Okay. Yes. I know it's confusing. It's confusing. But as we go along and as we dig deeper into this platform, we start to find out more. All we know now is earning dividends. I mean, it's earning the money, earning the divs, and then you can actually sell your stake right now. If you go to the buy and sell, we can actually see what people are selling theirs for. Okay. Someone's selling a 50-day stake, 500 AVC for 0.5 BNB. Okay. But the numbers are all over the place. They're different prices. Like this one's $1,000 one. They're selling for 1.8 BNB for a 14-day stake. So the numbers are all over the place. like I said, I'm gonna do a deep dive video when it comes to the oh no, I'm not buying that for no Airbnb, not right now, baby. But as I learn more, I'll do a video, a more deeper dive into the buying and selling and of your stakes and the divs and all these other things. But yeah, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.